If you love mushrooms and want to get started hunting your own, join me as I do a quick rundown of some of the best mushrooms to hunt and good places to find them, or what I like to call foraging for flavor. Our first mushroom is the morel. This is one of the most popular wild mushrooms, and for good reason. Morels have a nutty, earthly flavor that pairs well with a variety of dishes and are great to cook with. They're usually found in late April to early May and tend to grow near ash, elm, and oak trees. So it can come in very handy to know how to spot these different types of trees. So maybe after this video, take some time to brush up on the different types of trees in your area so you know where to find them. Next up is the chanterelle. This mushroom is prized for its delicate flavor and meaty texture. And this one can usually be found in late summer and early fall, and tends to grow near oak and beech trees. Chanterelles are extremely versatile, can be used in tons of dishes, great for pastas and soups, and probably a good omelet as well. And then our final mushroom is the chicken of the woods. This mushroom is known for its meaty, chicken-like flavor and texture, thus its name, and it usually is found in late summer and early fall, just like the chanterelle, and tends to grow on dead or dying trees, so keep an eye out for fallen trees and logs and stuff like that. Chicken of the woods is probably one of the best meat substitutes in vegetarian dishes and stir fries and tacos and stuff like that, so if you're looking to cut meat out of your diet, this one is perfect. So there you have it, a quick rundown of 3 of the best wild mushrooms to hunt for and cook with. Just remember, when foraging for mushrooms, it's extremely important to properly identify them and only eat the ones you are absolutely certain are safe. And thanks for joining, and happy hunting. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to subscribe, keep watching all of our other videos, check us out on social media along with YouTube. We have Facebook and Instagram. And be sure to check us out at instantacres.com.